after surgery, we get them moving, we get them up out of bed, we stand them up and actually get them to walk a few steps in the morning. And then that kind of gets them going so that they're a little bit less sore. They're usually pretty sore right away, and then once you get them moving, they feel a little bit better, so they are motivated to move, and then we come back in the afternoon, walk them some more. I think there's a group that had surgery 2 days ago that have already gone up and down the stairs.
Day 2, day 3, day 4, our job is to get them up, stretch them, move them, teach them what to do themselves, and get them as independent as possible with their exercises and their movement, their walking. Show them how to get up and down stairs, show them how to transfer in and out of bed, and basically improve their confidence within themselves so that when we lead, they are capable, and so are their family, in maintaining and promoting continued success.
I think by Sunday, 80–90% will be gone, and then Cindy and I will be here for another couple days to wrap up with anybody who's still here, maybe either late surgery or more complicated patients.
You know, I've worked in almost all of the OPWalk missions, and the Vietnamese people are some of the toughest people that we've worked with, the strongest, meaning that they're very capable, they're not as afraid, the pain doesn't get in their minds as much as it might in other people or in other cultures, and so we can push them a little harder and they accept it and they move forward with it.
These Operation Walk missions make my heart grow bigger. That's it.